Greetings, my fellow descendants. It's your boy right here, bro, and I'm back with yet another interesting tutorial. Okay, guys, I understand that most of you are now preparing to go to college, preparing to go to varsity, and you're very much anxious about your matric results. You are anxious about the distinction. Some of you guys are anxious about the type of pass you got. Okay, worry less. Remember, you always have K Pro to come and give you that information that you need or you require to take the next step forward. I'm here to save lives, guys. I'm here to change lives. Before I continue, please hit the subscribe button. Please recommend me to your little sister or little brother that is doing Matric. You know, I do offer tutoring on Zoom. I have Zoom classes each and every day for English, maths, and science, and all these other subjects. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook at SciMasters. Then also on TikTok it's SciMasters ZA. I think on Instagram it's also SciMasters ZA. Do make sure that you follow us and on all social media platforms. Okay, guys, so let's get into it. So basically, you just you're waiting for your matric results, and then today you get your matric results, and then you got probably let's just say you got 39% for maths. Okay, 39. You know, guys, my handwriting is very poor, so don't judge me. My learners know me. You got 39 for maths. That's your maths symbol right there, and then you got 41 for physics. Okay, so now let's just say you wanted to be a doctor, or you wanted to be a scientist, or a financial whatever, and maths and physics are the requirements, and you have to get 60%, probably at vert. UP it's 70%, maybe UJ as well. So probably you're gonna be stressed now when you look at your statement and be like, damn, I can't be a doctor anymore. Let me just become a teacher. Let me just become this. Okay, guys, listen to me. Ne? There is many ways to kill a cat. It's just that these other ways might be slightly slower than the main method. I'm going to repeat. There is many ways of killing a cat, just that these other ways might be slightly slower or slightly different. So now listen to me. I'm K Pro and I'm going to come to your rescue. Now listen to me. Now we have the first option, guys, okay? We have the first option. Okay, the first option is number 1. So you have this and you applied it verts, you applied all these places, and you know very well that they're going to reject you because you don't meet the minimum requirement. All right. So basically, there's probably those varsities that you never approached. Maybe University of Mpumalanga, maybe University of Free State, maybe VUT, maybe can be TUT. So you take note of all those varsities, you note them down, then you go and check their courses. Okay. After you check their courses, you do what we call, you file for a late application, LA, right? You start applying for a late application. Okay, now you're probably wondering why. Late application, obviously, your science won't be there because it will be full. So spaces will be left for what? Maybe mining courses, teaching courses. Nowadays, teaching is full already. So it might be those courses, you know, information, maybe not even information systems, but it could just be any course. So what do? You become smart and tell yourself that I am going to take any course. So any course that they are offering for late applications, whether it's finance, whether it's public administration, you take that course. How? Why? Because once you are in varsity, you are allowed to do at least 12 months of this course that you don't want, and make sure that you pass it with distinctions. And then if you can pass this easy course with distinctions, then the following year you can change your subjects. Now you can change your subjects and say, now I want to do science. I'm actually a medical doctor. I want to become a doctor. Now they allow you to change to whatever you wanted to become, right? So that's the first option you have. Now the second option would be you still go and look for the late applications, the universities that you never applied at. Remember, you can't do late applications at universities that you already applied at. You must approach varsities that you never applied for. Now, when you go to late applications, when you get there, you do not look for bachelor degrees. You look for extended programs. Why? Extended programs allow you to enter a certain or particular course with a 50% in mathematics and a 50% in physics. Sometimes, some of them, it's 40%, depending on the varsity. It's 40% sometimes. And you can also opt for higher certificates or for a diploma. Guys, a higher certificate in nursing doesn't mean you'll never become a nurse or a doctor. Higher certificate in nursing means that it's gonna take you maybe at least 2 years, 3 years to reach your diploma level. After that, you get your diploma as well. After 5 years, you have a diploma from there. You can take that diploma, go to any university in South Africa, and get your bachelor degree in medicine. Then you start working or in nursing, right? Now, probably asking yourself, what's the third method? So the third method, guys, is very easy. It's college. Now I know all of you guys want to see yourself at varsity. Yes, all of you will make it to varsity one day if you use your brains. So what I'm saying is, do not take a gap year, right? Do not take a gap year. So check what I'm gonna do. You go to college. Now you say you want to be a doctor, ne, or you want to be an engineer. What you do, you say now to these colleges, you say, give me your brochure. Then you look at all the courses that have been granted to all these people. So if they say, okay, you see that there's nursing there and they need 30% for maths, you're like, how? I have 40%. Then you're like, okay, physics 40, I have 40. You apply for that course. What will happen is that at a college, they want to give you a diploma in nursing. Ne? You get that diploma maybe after 3 years. After you get your diploma, you take that diploma now. You go to vets and tell them that I have a diploma. And then now, you can now go into second year of what? Nursing, or second year of medicine because of your diploma. Isn't that still a dream come true? Because you're still going to be in the medicine course. It's just that it took you a few years longer. Rather than upgrading and upgrading and still not getting what you want. Okay, next. Step 4, guys. The other step that you can actually another step that you can actually do basically is that now you can wait for something that is called, I don't know what the name of that organization is, but it starts with a C or something like that. So what they do is that all these rejected learners, they put them into consideration and try and patch them up if they didn't get space. So you'll wait for that organization. I forgot the name of the organization, but it patches you guys up, right, for those things. So that's how you guys can make it to varsity without upgrading or rewriting, guys. Thank you very much for listening, guys. If you have any questions, you can just DM me personally, or you can just drop your comments on YouTube, on the YouTube section, or in the comment section. Thank you very much for the support. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking, guys. If you have any questions, you know where to find me, guys, okay? And if you need any colleges, I'm gonna try and drop links to applications to those colleges, right? And then late applications as well. I'll try and drop links to late application universities, try and share information each and every day. I hope you guys are good on that. Thank you very much. Good luck to everyone who's getting their matric results on Friday. I'm wishing you luck, especially the ones that were being tutored by me, those who have watched the Science Master tutorials. I hope you guys got an English distinction.